single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Since Scam Scanner, Viva Video and 59 other apps have been banned in India along with TikTok,
आप हमसे हमारी जिंदगी मांग लेते, हम आपको खुशी खुशी दे देते, पर आपने तो हमसे हमारा गुरूर छीन लिया।
the nation is fighting strong in the terms of digital war with China, and this is going to create a huge impact on China. According to the sources, the estimated loss of ByteDance alone is going to be more than 6 billion. This move will safeguard interest of crores of Indian mobile and internet users. This decision is a targeted move to ensure the safety of Indian cyberspace. But the question is, what is the next plan? Of course, we have been using all that because those were required. We have been sending a lot of files and folders to share it and have been editing enormous videos in Viva Video. So now, do we need to switch to another app? So now this is the time where the youth, technical experts, hardware and software developers need to play their part. India is having two paths. Number 1, dependencies on alike apps. Number 2, creating new. In the past, some have already started stepping. Recently, a ZShare app has been created by Shravan Hegde, a 21-year-old BCA student in the support of Boycott China movement in India. Necessity is the mother of invention. The top apps, which include Facebook, ShareIt, PUBG, TikTok, Microsoft Excel, CleanMaster, and a lot more, from which none are from India. Today there are only a few apps that are from India that have gone famous worldwide, in which includes Paytm, PhonePe, and Hike. Though there are a lot more brilliant Indian apps that you would have hardly heard about, which includes NewsHunt, Friday, 360 Panorama. We have to trust developers and we have to serve more Indian apps because that is the only way we can be completely digitally independent. Developers have to give their best. They have to meet all the requirements and provide a hassle-free experience to all the users. For of course, the give and take of applications worldwide is necessary for the trade and for the economic stability, but not on the cost of independency and the safety of the country. In a survey in 2019 shows that there are more than 26 lakh of students in engineering alone. Think of the apps India can make with these much talented minds. So we need to take the next step in two parts. Number 1, using more Indian apps. For of course, they should meet all our requirements and should be up to the mark. Number 2, to create more digital platforms and more applications in order to make our country digitally independent. So today we have the necessity and innovation is required. Keep your head more towards creating jobs rather than finding one. Try best to innovate, but keep in mind that you have to keep it sustainable. We have come a long way, so let's stand together in this also. Thanks a lot for liking all my videos. Do like and comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.